Hello.
Hello.
Nice to meet you, Daniel.
Hey, nice to meet you, Roger Ed Warren.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Sorry we're late.
So, how do you know everyone?
How do you even know her?
How do you know her?
We were.
How do you know her name?
How do you know her?
We met in a meeting.
We met in college. It was the same Spanish class.
Yeah, maybe we met in passing. I don't know.
We met in college.
We met in church.
We met in Salon when we were in the OSS.
What do you do, Mr. Don?
First name. What do you do?
What do I do?
Hey, what do you do for a job?
What do you do? What do you mean?
What do we do? Huh? What do you mean, what do you do?
I'm a student.
I'm a student of the world, baby.
I'm a history student.
I'm a student. I'm still in school. I go at night.
Oh, I'm not the kind of magician who does tricks. I'm a math-magician.
That's awesome, Ted.
Okay, that's awesome.
That's awesome.
That's awesome.
How many people were you expecting this time?
Wasn't expecting this.
So we weren't expecting this many people.
I wasn't expecting so many friendly faces.
Do you come here often?
Do you come here often?
Do you come here often?
Do you come to these kind of things often, or?
Are you?
How often do you come here? Oh, not really.
No, not really.
No, not really. Sean does.
It's not really possible. I have no time.
Can we meet?
Can we meet for breakfast?
Kristen, we should meet again tomorrow.
Can we meet tomorrow?
Are you asking me out on a date, detective?
So, what are you asking me out on a date? Are you asking me out on a date?
Are you asking me out?
Are you asking me out?
No. Well, I mean, yes.
I mean, yeah.
Yes. I mean, yes.
Well, I mean, yes, we're having fun, and it's been great. Well, I mean, yeah.
Let's meet tomorrow afternoon, 2 p.m.
Let's meet tomorrow and talk then instead. All right, let's meet back here tomorrow morning. Yeah.
Let's all meet right back here tomorrow.
You know, it's getting really late, and I have to get ready for my girlfriend's showers, so let's meet tomorrow before you go.
Tomorrow then.
Tomorrow, then.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, what's up?
Hey, what's up?
Hey, what's up?
So, hey, what's up?
Hey, you look great, sweetie. Hey, you look great.
Hey, you look great, though. Hey, you look great!
This.
You look great to me.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Tell me more about yourself.
Why don't you tell me more about yourself?
Okay, well, tell me more about yourself.
Tell me more about yourself.
Tell me more about yourself, my love.
Yes.
Where? Okay, where do I start?
Where do I start?
So where do we start?
Where do I start?
Where do I start?
I'm an introvert by nature, brother. But also introverted and shy.
I'm kind of an introvert, and I get that. I get that.
I get that. I get that.
You get that?
Yeah, I get that you love me, Fitz.
That sounds amazing.
That sounds amazing.
Yeah, that sounds amazing.
Ooh, that sounds amazing, but I'm out of here just as soon as my car's fixed.
That sounds amazing.
Always wanted to sail around the Greek island.
We booked a suite at the Sky Summit Lodge in Inverness. I always wanted to stay there.
I was thinking like the same thing, except I've always wanted to go to Tibet.
Well, there's this Italian restaurant I've always wanted to go to. The states can pay for my trip, and yeah, I've always wanted to go to London, so it'd be like the perfect thing. Don't you think that's great?
Oh, I'll see you later on tonight. I have to go.
Okay.
Bye.
Take care.
Steven, I love you, but I gotta go. Bye.
Bye.
I have to go. Bye.
Okay, I have to go. I'll call you again later.
Maria, I have to go.